Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Today's my video is on harvesting turnip. You like? And I grow in fruit basket. Subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. And enjoy my video with me. Harvesting some turnips. I grow different varieties of turnips. One is purple variety, you can see. Another is purple top and white variety. This is my container garden. Turnips white, loose soil and well drained soil. I grow in fruit baskets, as you can see. Click icon button and subscribe my channel. Very exciting moment. So I share my video for you viewers. Today I am making a dish of turnips. So I can harvest some turnips. You can see I pluck. You can see beautiful, mashallah, very healthy. Some another one. I'm making a dish today for these turnips. These are for my viewers. You can see I gift for my viewers. Mashallah. Subhanallah. You can also grow in your home. This is the organic vegetable, very delicious and tastiest. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.